Hey guys, I'm Rita. In this episode, I will show you how you can record a deposit that you have received from customer for particular invoice on accounting. To record a deposit, you need to go to invoices, to list of invoices. We can reach those by going to sales section and click on invoices. From here, select an invoice for which you have received deposit, so click on that invoice. And there is a section called Get Paid. Add payment. Select date firstly. Secondly, amount, so I have received deposit payment of £100. Payment method, it's bank transfer in my case. And select an account in which you have received from drop-down list. And save. So now payment has been received, so there is the details of a payment, and also information in invoice have added that there is £100 paid and total outstanding is £50. So this is a way how you can record a deposit payment that you have received for a particular invoice on accounting. If you have any questions or require any further advice, feel free to reach out to me. Also, I have shared the links in description section below to my complete accounting tutorial as well as my review of this accounting software.